Another great plugin for SEO, it's called WordPress Seo plugin, and it's by a company called Yoast.com. And it's a free plugin that you can use on your own WordPress website. So all you have to do is go to the download button and just click it right there. Okay, so we've activated the plugin and we can see it right here. It's under the title SEO in the left-hand column. The minute that I activated the plugin, it already gave me 2 alerts on there. The function of the SEO plugin is to verify that you have all the elements required for a perfect page optimization. And it does that against a checklist that it has within the plugin itself. So in this case, we see 2 alerts right here. And the very first one is about the description within the meta tags, and it's telling me that it's being blocked. So you have the opportunity to actually go and remove it yourself, or the plugin will do it for you by clicking on the Fix It button. The second alert is on the pagination function for comments, which is not needed in about 1,000 cases. So in this case, I could ignore it, or I can click on the Fix It button right there. So let's continue with our tour through the general settings page. If we go down below, we'll actually see the tracking area. So when you check that box, it'll actually send anonymous data to the WordPress SEO plugin creators. And that way they'll be able to track the types of plugins that you're using on your website. The next thing is the security checkbox, which I would recommend you check if you don't want authors to be able to redirect their comments to other places or add no index. In the next section, we talk about the Webmaster Tools. Think of it as a health clinic for your website, where Google will provide you with some alerts regarding your website. If there are issues in terms of accessing certain links or pages within your website, then Google will provide you with some alerts. It also indicates the keywords that you are being found for on which pages too as well. So you need to create a Google Webmaster Tools account, and that is free to create. The next thing you'll have to do is to actually verify that you are the owner of the website. And you can achieve that by taking the code that Google Webmaster Tools provides you and just inputting that into the Google Webmaster Tools dialog box. So that concludes this session on the WordPress SEO plugin by Yoast. Just to recap what we've learned today, we actually activated the SEO plugin as well as looked at the general settings. And within the general settings of the plugin, we look at the tracking, we looked at the security, we also looked at the Webmaster Tools and how to set that up, and adding the verification code within the Webmaster Tools dialog box. In the next session, we'll continue our discussion of the WordPress SEO plugin.